Hey Honda lovers, welcome all Auto Parts Group, your trusted partner for automotive solutions. I'm here today to talk about why choosing a used Honda engine might just be the smartest move you make for your ride. When your Honda's heart needs a replacement, a brand new engine sounds tempting, right? But let's be real, they can hit your wallet hard. That's where all Auto Parts Group steps in with a solution that's not just wallet-friendly but also reliable. First off, the cost. Opting for a used Honda engine from All Auto Parts Group can save you a pretty penny, without skimping on quality. Each engine undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets high standards, so you're getting top-notch performance at a fraction of the cost. And who doesn't love saving money? Now let's talk reliability. Honda engines are legends for their durability. Opting for a used engine doesn't mean you're settling for less. Each engine is tested to live up to the Honda name so you can drive with confidence, knowing your engine won't let you down. And the variety? Whether you're cruising in a Civic or adventuring in a CR-V, All Auto Parts Group has an engine that fits. Their extensive inventory means you're sure to find the perfect match for your car's needs. Buying from All Auto Parts Group isn't just about getting a used engine, it's about experience and trust. These guys know Honda engines inside out, ensuring you get a product that feels tailor-made for your car. And with each engine inspected and tested to meet or even exceed OEM standards, quality is a guarantee. Worried about future issues? Don't be. Their engines come with solid warranties and a support team ready to help, making your purchase worry-free. So here's how you do it. Step 1. Hit up their website, find your engine using super handy search filters. Step 2. Their experts do their magic, inspecting and testing the engine. Step 3. You buy it, they ship it, and boom, you're ready to roll. Choosing a used Honda engine from All Auto Parts Group is savvy, economical, and downright smart. Visit our website illusedautoparts.world or give us a ring at our hotline +1 865 505 0345. Explore the options and get your Honda running like new. Trust me, your car and your wallet will thank you. Do like and subscribe All Auto Parts Group channel for more informative videos for you car needs.